purtroppo di queste cose possiamo vedere, sta piovendo ancora. Good morning everybody, we've learned a lesson overnight, we trust too much our telephone. Certainly the iPhone weather app was suggesting there was a chance of sunshine. No chance, it is still raining here, and we're about to race our final three heats to catch up on the program from the last couple of days. This is the third final heat, 3 junior heats to finish off, and then our pre-finals this morning. So this is qualifying heat A versus E to set the group for junior, and we go round one more time. So MITSUSADA is currently P1. At this point, it's standing a good result. We'll see him start on pole position for the pre-final. Great to have you here despite the conditions. Hayes had a cut con l'ultimo Cremona o Papa Junior. Sotto ancora la pioggia. È stato un bel po' di tempo finché abbiamo fatto una gara così. Secondo round, WSK Super Master Series. MITSUSADA on pole position for this qualifying heat A versus E over 13 laps. To set the grid, a good result for Filippo will see him start on pole position for the pre-final later this morning. Sala, Cross Doya, Min, Coronel, Martinez and Paula Briotto. We race for the first time today. Coronel tries the inside line, MITSUSADA around the outside and holds on to the lead for pole position. Right start off the back here in Rich Super Motorsport go 1, 2 and 4. Paul Andriotto, top Swiss driver, in P4, looking out for Matt Corby as well. Also from Switzerland, we are underway here today with the first of our 3 heats here this morning to finish off the program, the delayed program. We've had a torrential rain here at Cremona over the past couple of days. Augusto Cognolo out on the first lap. We have lost one of the energy cars down at the pit hairpin. It looks to be Maka Pavlov, who has gone around and retired on the first lap. As Sala continues to lead, Rocco Coronel going on through. There's Maka Pavlov at the pit hairpin trying to restart. Very little chance for the Russian, and it looks as though the energy car has retired. 3 heats to finish off the program here this morning in still torrential rain. And at Sala, this person this weekend continues. There's Rocco Coronel in P2, Costoya, Andriotto. From Switzerland, Chartier. The Canadian, Jacopo Martinez, and Bruno Griston, now the Lithuanian, Matt Corby. Second Swiss driver in P10 from Vincent Burnham. Ethan Leonard, bottom quick finish. They gave an off. Tolkien of the bridge. Nesto, Phillips, Thompson, Battisti, Gustavo Marquez. After a couple of DNS yesterday, P20 ahead of off the Bulgaray. Riataro Saka, Solobra, Rizal, Jimmy Planeta, rounds out the field after we lose Augusto Cognolo on the first lap of the race, and also Maka Pavlov. former British road track champion, is also out.
Attenzione prego, i seguenti piloti della categoria Mini Under 10 si dovranno presentare all'ingresso della pregriglia entro le ore 10:40. Concorrente Energy, pilota numero 523. Concorrente Team Driver 504. Concorrente Tony Cars, pilota numero 540. Concorrente TRG, pilota numero 558 e concorrente World Racing, pilota numero 553, si dovranno presentare in pre-griglia entro le ore 10:40. Attention please, the following drivers from Mini U10 must be at the pre-grid entrance by 10:40. Driver number 523, 504, 540, 558, and 553 must be at the entrance of the pre-grid by 10:40. Sebastian Means still in position 4. Lapping in 64 seconds. Rocco Coronel actually just goes purple last time round. Yes, Bob Martinez is still carrying P5, the two-time WSK champion. Still solid. Coronel, Crossoyer, Means Martinez, the two-time WSK champion, fighting for the grid position for the pre-final. Ethan Lennon now up in the P9 from Paul Andriotti. The second twin driver, Matt Corby, has dropped down to 16th place ahead of Flex Oliver and Teo Battisti, Maria Nestor. It looks as though we've also lost Amina da Portugal. Rizal is out, Santos is out, Nicola Netta. Boris Luciani, Cole Denham. Well, that's bad luck for Cole Denham on to UEW in 2024. British Kart Masters champion, British Road Track champion as well. Cole Denham is out, Cavallava. And also Augusto Toniolo going out on the very first lap. Salah, Coronel, Crossoyer, and Sebastian Means, Jacobo Martinez there. WSK Super Cup champion from 2022. The Czech Cup Republic closes in on the back of Sebastian Means. Chartier, Kingston, and the Canadians have been glued together for not only this weekend but also at Lovato. Chartier, 238, Kingston Burnett for Gruppen Motorsport, the driver from Toronto. Just tries to take his country, and then we go back to Bruno Grid, the now Lithuanian from Ethan Lennon. Even for the Beyond Racing team. From Grid 15 up into P9, Andriotis, Gustavo Marquez. Stewart, Shed, the two Chinese drivers, Sakai, from Japan, Ariataro, of the top 8, Corby, Solomov, and Teo Battisti. That's to start lap 9 of 13, the first three heats to finish off the delayed program. On Friday, we looked to the north of the Cremona Circuit. No, I don't want to get too optimistic. It is still raining, it is still wet. It's likely to be wet tyres for the entire day. Max Bergson off his out. Mentor Rival, Santi Planeta. With Jenny Denham, Cavallero, from Rolo. And the left rear time is grows. So we're on lap 11 and 13, qualifying is A versus E. We're going past the 11-minute mark of this issue this morning. Charlotte looking good for pole position. Philip Hall. A perfect mark for the fastest qualifier for Nicole Charlotte, Philip Hall. Coronel and Clark Sawyer has a stand. Charlotte would start on pole position for pre-final A later this morning. 2 laps remaining. Spectacular down into the big hairpin where the yellow flag is flying because we have also lost a really good double Marquez. Indeed, Omenido da Portugal has also retired from position 11. And clearly bad luck with the 384 girl driver. From the 27 starters, we're down to 16 runners. 11 retired as Martinez in position 4, trying to attack. The giant stages of his final heat. He's got the British Belgian, Sebastian Mintel. Back to Brenton Burnett. Out here, the two Canadians, we can let it now up into P8. Well, if we are at the race, it's Grit and Polan Briante. Ultimo giro, questa volta per Philip Hall, Filippo Sala in testa di questa man.
Alright, try and lift the blue up. Get the blue up in the air. And then, yeah, look, there's the
Trentino, davanti tutti dopo assegnato. Molto difficile nella qualifica venerdì anche certamente sotto la pioggia, sta cominciando il suo ultimo giro.
That's nearly there, isn't it?
Ascoia e Jacopo Martinez. Sebastian still in position 5. As we watch Filippo Sala down the back straight, goes to the right, throws it to the left, rally drop, Niall the standard Asia split, Coronel following through in position 2, Rocco looking good for P5 overall, and this is a still 50 heat to race.
probably improve on that. At the moment, velocity second overall, but underdog Cruiser go off to a sprint race, their final heat. As Benito Charlie is actually being caught by Rocco Coronel, who's got purple last time round. He's just a checkered flag for the first time this morning. And Dylan Hall wins the Ricky Green Motorsport. Benito Charlie. La vittoria la terz'ultima manche della mattina per seguire il programma di venerdì. Coronel, Costoia, Martinez in Jensen, home pursuit. Lennon, Easter. Good strong finish for the heat race for the South Africans. Benito Sala, pole position.